Yes, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss first week 30th point, first week 30th story, My Beloved Career. This story which is prepared in first week 30th, I think there are only 5 short stories which is included in your book. I have told you 5 stories before. First story, the crowd, which I have told you, and the second story, Root, and third, My Beloved Career. Today we will discuss My Beloved Career and a kitchen in the corner of the house and work day. There are mostly 5 stories included in your book. It is third number story, My Beloved Career, which is composed by Sati Deshpande. First of all, we should know who is Sati Deshpande. Sati Deshpande was a most prominent female writer in English literature. She was born on 1938 at Harvard in Karnataka. At Harvard in Karnataka, she was the most prominent female writer in English literature. We can say she was the greatest novelist and short story writer. She was educated at Harvard in Karnataka, and she got higher education from Harvard, Bombay and Karnataka. She was a gold medalist lady in the field of education. After getting married, she settled in Bombay. After getting her marriage, she settled in Bombay. She first MA in English in 1970 from Mysore University. She took up a job of journalism in a magazine On Looker. On Looker is best magazine of Sati Deshpande, and she took up a job there. His first collection, The Last Legacy. She got many Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Shri Award from Indian government. She got Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Shri Award in the field of literature. The Long Silence, which was published in 1990, and she was awarded for Sahitya Academy in the field of The Long Silence. Similarly, she got Padma Shri Award in 2009. I think she composed 9 novels and 5 collections of the poems, and 4 were related to the children. विद्यार्थियों, मैंने सती देशपांडे का जो परिचय आपको बताया है, इस परिचय के बारे में मैंने आपको उनका जन्म के बारे में बताया था। 1938 के अंदर उनका जन्म हुआ था। धारवाड़ का नाम सुना होगा और कर्नाटक के अंदर है, और उस स्थान पर उन्होंने अपनी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन को भी कंप्लीट किया था। हायर एजुकेशन उन्होंने बम्बई से और कर्नाटक से भी की। बच्चों, जब उनकी शादी हो गई थी, उसके बाद वो मुंबई सेटल हो गई थी, और उनको राउंड नाम का जो प्राइज है 1984 के अंदर दिया गया था। उनको साहित्य अकेडमी का दिया गया था। उनको पद्म श्री अवार्ड भारत सरकार के द्वारा भी दिया गया था। उन्होंने मोस्टली 9 प्रकार के जो नॉवेल्स लिखे हैं, उनको मैं आपको बताऊंगा कौन सा नॉवेल कब पब्लिश हुआ था, और उन्होंने 5 प्रकार की जो शॉर्ट स्टोरी है उसका कलेक्शन लिखा था, और उसकी जो फर्स्ट स्टोरी वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1970 and first novel The Dark Old No Trailer in 1980 और 1980 के अंदर उनका जो नोवेल जो था वो पब्लिश हुआ था। एंड दिस स्टोरी माय बिलव्ड कैरियर विच इज रिलेटेड टू सती देशपांडे. सती देशपांडे डिस्क्राइब्स द ह्यूमन वीकनेस इन या फीमेल वीकनेस इन दिस स्टोरी, एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द female candidate. I think there are 3 characters in this story. There are three characters in this story. Who is the three characters in this story? Grandmother and Aarti and Preeti. Preeti, Aarti and grandmother. There are three characters in this story. The whole story revolves around the three characters: grandmother, Aarti and Preeti. The role of Aarti is minor character in this story, but the Preeti and the grandmother is the prominent protagonist character in this story. The whole story rotates around the grandmother and Preeti. आपने नाम सुना होगा भगवान कृष्ण का और अर्जुन का। तो भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को हमेशा क्या दिया था, कर्म दिया था, उपदेश दिया था कि अब उसको अपने ड्यूटी को, अपने कर्तव्य को समझना चाहिए, और उन्होंने ही उसको मोटिवेशन जब किया था तो भगवान कृष्ण ने पूरी महाभारत के अंदर अपनी जो रोल अदा किया था वो रोल यहाँ पर ग्रैंड कर रही है, और प्रीति जो है वो इस स्टोरी के अंदर अर्जुन का रोल अदा कर रही है। So we can say that the title is very appropriate and suggestive in this story. इस कहानी के अंदर जो टाइटल है वास्तव में My Beloved, beloved का मतलब कैसे होता है, प्रेमी, प्रेमिका। My Beloved कैरेक्टर का मतलब होता है रथ। तो जो प्रिय रथ था, तो उस रथ के द्वारा ही भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को जो उपदेश दिए थे वो कहानी से ही आरती का, प्रीति का और ग्रांड जो मदर है उसको यहाँ पर एड्रेस किया गया है। तो द स्टोरी begins from I am telling you this story in briefly so that you can understand the theme of the story. The story is very simple language. This story is written in simple language by Sati Deshpande. Sati Deshpande के द्वारा इस कहानी को बड़ा ही इसी वे के अंदर लिखा गया है so that every student can understand this story in simple language. The story begins from a cozy early morning. The story begins from the early in the morning, and that time when the young girl Preeti has just got up. And the Preeti, I have told you that there are three characters in this story. The grandmother. The first role, there are three characters in this story. ठीक है, इस कहानी में जो तीन पात्र कौन है? फर्स्ट है द ग्रैंडमदर एंड द सेकंड इज आरती एंड थर्ड इज प्रीति. There are three characters. Aarti is the daughter of grandmother. She is daughter of the grandmother. Okay, and she is grandson, and she is the daughter of Aarti. We can say that Preeti is the daughter of Aarti. Thus, there are three characters in this story. Preeti is grandson of the grandmother. The whole story rotates around the three characters. The role of grandmother and the role of Preeti is very important in this story. Just like in Mahabharata, Lord Krishna and Arjuna. The role of the Lord Krishna motivated Arjuna and reminded his duty against his brother, and he should fight against his brother because they were injustice को अन्याय किए, है ना। So that लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने इनको क्या किया था, मोटिवेट किया था, और फिर जाकर महाभारत के अंदर जो सत्य की, जो ट्रुथ की है वो क्या हुई थी, विक्ट्री हुई थी, जीत हुई। बस यही कहानी इसी से रिलेटेड है। तो ये तीन कैरेक्टर इन स्टोरी, एंड द स्टोरी बिगिंस फ्रॉम द got up early in the morning. That time was morning time, and Priti was sleeping that time and his grandmother was waiting to get up. उसके हिस्से के लिए वो क्या करी थी? She was waiting and the young child Priti had just stopped. जब वो उठ गई and she with her tea, his grandmother prepared tea for him. His grandmother prepared tea for Priti because Priti was grandson of grandmother. We can say that she was the daughter of Aarti and the grandmother had great attachment with the Priti. Priti also called him Ajji. Priti also called him Ajji और उसको अज्जी नाम से with affection, स्नेह के साथ with affection he used to call his grandmother Ajji. In this story, Ajji is the grandmother and Priti calls him with affection. बड़े स्नेह भाव से वो क्या कहती थी? उसको Ajji कहकर पुकारती थी. Ajji also prepared tea for him and she looks after, उसकी देखभाल करती है and she speaks and talks in low pitch so that Aarti is not disturbed in the sleep. Aarti is not disturbed in his sleep and her happens is the beginning of a new day and her happiness is the beginning of new day and she lives for school and Priti lives for school और वो स्कूल चली जाती है. But we can say that the grandmother and Aarti both are widow women in this story. Widow, both are widow. How you can say they were the grandmother husband means grandfather who had not her life nearby 7 years ago. 7 years ago, grandmother lost her husband nearly 7 years ago. यानी दादाजी की मृत्यु 7 साल पहले हो चुकी थी and Aarti husband had died recently. अभी हाल ही के अंदर बोला है बस whose name was Madhav. Aarti's husband name was Madhav. Madhav is also minor character in this story because Madhav was a very silent person and cruel nature. Madhav was not a cruel person. Grandmother husband. Grandmother husband. There is no name in this story. I cannot tell you who is the grandfather in the story. We can say that grandfather who was a very cruel nature and tyrannical and difficult person. बच्चों बहुत ही हल्की नेचर का था. जो दादाजी थे ना, उस दादाजी का नाम इस कहानी के अंदर नहीं बच्चों. तो वो दादाजी बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट थे और वो अपनी यानी दादी माँ के साथ भी कोई ऐसा नेचर और ट्रीट नहीं करते थे. तो दादी माँ also felt relief when he expired. तो दादी माँ ने भी बहुत रिलीफ महसूस किया जब वो एक्सपायर हो गए थे. और she lost at least 7 years ago. She expired 7 years ago. And Aarti's husband, whose name was Madhav and Aarti जो attachment था, दादी माँ does not like his marriage life and दादी माँ did not like Aarti and Madhav role in this story. She hated Madhav and Aarti, but after 2 days, Madhav had also expired and Aarti was in depressed mood and had mood, but she had no relationship between the grandmother and the Priti. और उसका आर्थिक प्रीति के साथ और दादी माँ के साथ जो उसकी बेटी थी और उसकी माँ थी. आरती की ये माँ है और आरती की बेटी प्रीति है. तो आरती का प्रीति के साथ और ग्रैंड मदर के साथ कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, तो उसको अकेला रहना पड़ा, एलोन, शी हैड टू लिव एलोन, अकेला रहना पड़ा था। सो इन दिस स्टोरी आरती मोल इज वेरी माइनर कैरेक्टर, बट द होल स्टोरी रोटेट अराउंड द ग्रैंडमदर एंड प्रीति। तो एक तरह की जो कहानी है उसका टाइटल एप्रोप्रिएट है नहीं है, वो मैं एक शॉर्टकट के अंदर आपको बता देता हूँ कि इसके अंदर क्या रोल था, आर्ट उसका, भगवान कृष्ण का उसका जो रोल था उसके बारे में मैं आपको ब्रीफ में एक छोटी सी कहानी के रूप में बता देता हूँ। देखिए, व्हाट डिड ग्रैंडमदर कॉल द यंग प्रीति हर बिलव्ड कैरियर। द होल स्टोरी, द टाइटल, द ग्रैंडमदर फाइंड ग्रेट solace in her granddaughter Priti. She calls her beloved career. She calls her grandmother calls her his beloved career. उसको एक कैरेक्टर कहती है, beloved कैरेक्टर कहती है, as Lord Krishna was to Arjun in the Mahabharata. Lord Krishna drives Arjun's career. Lord Krishna drove का मतलब होता है हाँकना या चलाना, ड्राइव होता है ड्राइव की सेकंड फॉर्म होती है ड्रॉव। लॉर्ड कृष्णा ड्रॉव द अर्जुन चैरियटर एंड इट द सेम gave him strength and inspiration, and Lord Krishna gave him strength and inspiration for the battle का मतलब होता है युद्ध। Sati Deshpande had assigned the same role to Priti. Sati Deshpande had assigned the same role to Priti. The role of Priti and the grandmother role, which we can compare with the role of Krishna and Arjun. Lord Krishna ने क्या किया था? Gave him and inspiration for the battle. So the role of Priti and the grandmother role of Lord Krishna and Arjun, who is beloved career for her Arjun. So the title of the story, Priti is the object of love of Arjun. She is the apple of Arjun's eyes. She was या she is किसी के सकते हो तो she is the apple of Arjun's eyes. अर्जुन की आंखों पर तारा थी कौन? प्रीति, क्योंकि अर्जुन है ये महाभारत के अंदर तो अर्जुन खड़ा हो, तो दादी क्या है? वो कृष्ण है। कृष्ण ने उसको क्या किया था? gave him strength and inspiration दिया था for the battle, और उसको मोटिवेशन किया था किसके अगेंस्ट लड़ने में? इनजस्टिस सिस्टम ऑफ कौरव सपोर्टेड टू इनजस्टिस। वो अधर्म पर थे, वो अपने धर्म पर नहीं थे, अन्याय थे। तो भगवान कृष्ण ने क्या किया था? उसको अर्जुन को उपदेश देकर और पूरी महाभारत के धर्म का रोल अदा किया था। सिमिलरली ग्रैंडमदर हैड टू प्ले हिज रोल लाइक एज द लॉर्ड कृष्णा। Thus, we can say that the story is very suggestive and appropriate. Thus, we can say that the story is very suggestive and appropriate. तो विद्यार्थियों, आपको ये कहानी समझ में आ गई होगी। And there, what is the question in this story? Characteristics of grandmother, characteristics of Aarti, characteristics of Priti. And how you can say that the title of the story is very appropriate and significant? How you can say that the title of the story is very significant, suggestive and appropriate? तो आपको लॉर्ड कृष्णा की से कंपेयर करके इस क्वेश्चन को लिखना है। ओके, थैंक यू, कीप प्रैक्टिस, कीप स्माइलिंग, एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई विल टेल यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो। Because your exam is at hand, you should work hard. Okay, share this video among your wives,